Friday is the day to watch. I see 2 rounds of rain coming in early in the morning, a cluster of rain and rumbles, I think, embedded into this round on Friday morning. This is before daybreak. There could be a pocket or two of some smaller hail. Given the setup, the temperature profile at which we have this activity moving through, it's a little bit more favorable. Otherwise, these are going to be general type thunderstorms, packing some needed rainfall. It's been a while since we've seen some rain like this. Now, as we continue on, there is a severe weather outlook for this activity. Technically, it's listed for Thursday's outlook, but that goes through 7 a.m. on Friday morning. So that's why we have that level 1 shading there. I think it's for some small hail. I think there's actually a better setup for severe weather as we go into Friday here. Now, at day 4, the category kind of shifts around just a little bit. So we're looking at 2 categories: possible and likely. Now, when I'm looking at the scenario here, this is a favorable synoptic setup for seeing strong to severe thunderstorms. One thing central Iowa is going to have in place is a little warm nose of air, a couple thousand feet up, which may prevent these thunderstorms from being surface-based. And that takes a lot of the tornado threat away. So I think wind and hail are going to be our primary threats as we take a look at the setup as we go into Friday afternoon and evening. Now, some of the latest data suggesting that this is going to be pushing through just a little bit earlier, says Futurecast. I don't know if I'm quite on board with that, but there's that morning round of rain pushing through, and that sliver to recharge there as we go into the afternoon. There's 4 o'clock, storm starting to form near that cold front, near the low. Redevelopment is going to be expected, and then it pushes its way eastward. So this run of Futurecast is a little bit more progressive than previous rounds. I put late afternoon into evening, the time frame to watch, but that time frame still a little bit up in the air. Those are some of the early details. We have our weather impact alerts in place. I'll continue to track it and, of course, bring you updates.